Task F is another drag and sort, but now we're going to put all the different sentence types together. So your instructions are over here. Highlight prepositional phrases in orange. Highlight subordinating conjunctions in blue. Highlight coordinating conjunctions in this pinkish color. Subjects in yellow, verbs in green. And so I've given you some different formulas here to drag over here. Let's start with what is, well, actually, I'm going to go in the order that I would do. If I was trying to figure out which type of sentence something is, I would start with compound because I think that's the easiest one. Because a compound sentence, you're going to see right away if it has a comma conjunction in the middle of it. Okay, you would know that. And if you didn't, then you know, or if you didn't see that, then right away you would know that's not compound. The next thing I would look for is a subordinating conjunction and a dependent clause. If I could find one, then I know that I have a complex sentence. If I can't find either of these things, then I know I must have a simple sentence. So I'm going to just start with a random sentence here. Drag it over here so I can see it. They give you stuff to drink, and it makes you answer questions truthfully. Oh, I'm seeing we need to add a color because we need to do something with infinitives. Let's do it in red. Whoops, red. So highlight infinitives in red because I see an infinitive. The first thing I would do is eliminate phrases. To drink is an infinitive. I'm going to highlight that in red. Then I'm going to look to see, is there a comma with a coordinating conjunction? And I do see it here. Now, just because I see a comma and a coordinating conjunction does not mean that it's compound. I have to find a subject and a verb on both sides. So I'm going to look on this side. It says, they give you stuff. Well, it's talking about who? It's talking about the people that are there, they. And what do? They give. So give is my verb. So I've got a subject and a verb on the left of the comma conjunction. Now let's look on the other side. It makes you answer questions truthfully. Well, I'm not sure about the subject, so I'm going to start with the verb. I know makes is a verb. So if makes is the verb, now I can ask myself, what makes you answer questions? It makes you answer questions. So that has to be my subject. And so I can tell that this is a compound sentence because it's got a comma conjunction with a subject and a verb on both sides. So then I'm going to go pick another sentence and go through the same process and work on sorting. When you're done, make sure you click the Turn In button in Google Classroom to make sure that you indicate to me that your assignment is finished.